Welcome back to the Sauna Room, where we keep you up to date about good things happening for Jamaica and Jamaicans. Now, I really want to highlight Miss Ackaisha Green. This was a young lady that returned a bag of $5,000 notes and $1,000 notes. We don't know the exact amount of money, but it was a lot of money. She found it in an ATM and she returned it. Besides the fact that she was having a rough time in her life, she chose to do the right thing, and I believe that the right thing paid off. Now, our honesty in the face of our personal trying circumstances is proving to be the winning formula for Ackaisha Green, who recently handed over millions of dollars she stumbled upon at an ATM in downtown Kingston. Now, because of this great, I would say, social responsibility, Wray and Nephew has rewarded her $1.2 million, and this is for her honesty. Now, a good thing about it is she's a single mother, and $1 million will be going to a education fund for her 2-year-old and her 8-year-old. 100,000 she received in cash for food, and 100,000 for her entrepreneurial endeavors. She wants to do business. She was also in badly need of a refrigerator. She got that, and Nestle donated 1 year supply of milk to her 2-year-old son. She's also getting a course up to level 2, a 2-year course from Hard Trust NTA. She is now a brand ambassador for them, and I'm so happy for her and grateful that this opportunity came up for her, and that Jamaicans really recognize how honesty in this time is rare. A lot of Jamaicans were like, oh, I would return the money, but she, in her hard time, returned the money. People have good heart, and for good, this goes to show that you should always do good, because good pays off. So big up yourself, Miss Ackaisha Green. I'm happy for you, I'm proud of you, and keep it up. And a lot of other Jamaicans can use this as an example to do the right thing. So big up on a damn clean self on the Sauna Room, and we will keep you up